This Lexivon torque wrench was purchased with my own money, and this is my honest review. Here's a quick unboxing on what you can expect to find when you receive your Lexivon torque wrench. My first thoughts is that this thing feels very well made and heavy duty. Doesn't feel like they went cheap on the materials. Keep in mind that all RVs are not created equal, so make sure to check your RV's manufacturer's recommended settings for your torque wrench. This is not my first rodeo with torque wrenches, and I really like how this one has very easy to read markings on it. So this is one of my reasons for buying this. Another thing I like about this torque wrench is how prominent the sound is. Check this out. Always remember to tighten in a star pattern for equal distribution on all the lug nuts. Another area you want to torque periodically on your travel trailer or your weight distribution bar L brackets. This is vital to making sure you're traveling safe on the road and you avoid sway. So again, make sure you follow your manufacturer's recommended settings for your particular rig, and I hope this video was helpful.